On 16. Run.
Going to 17.
Let's go, let's go.
In 70.
Kaya nyo. Kaya nyo wala. Kaya nyo ano. Kaya nyo yung KS ha. Kaya nyo yung KS yung ano.
Pusin ba yun?
So baka maunahan kayo sa M para. Okay, break. And after 15. Wala tayong kalaban dito.
A lot of information.
Try nyo yung KS lang. Tapos pagka nawag kayo, abang kayo sa number 6.
Grabe.
Okay, let's go. Number 6. Only team, number 6.
A lot like 5 parties in Panuya in 16.
Okay.
Ay, in 17.
Only team, 6. Tama na kayo dito?
They got 17.
Teka, umalis ba sila? Teka, tingnan ko. Wala. Sige, bantayan nyo muna yan. Kung umalis sila, i-take nyo.
Okay, stay in 17.
Sige, pwede na yan. Klikan nyo yung, 17. 16, please take 17.
Go.
Then on his team, please take 6, and then we go straight to number 3. Number 2, sorry. Pag hindi nyo pa rin kaya, 17, 15. Pwede sa 15, no?
Okay.
Kaso wala na sila dyan eh.
Okay na pa.
Okay, pakitake yan. Tapos, i-take nyo rin yung medium nila. Tapos, on his team, after we take number 2, we will test. Because Infamilla will go there. Please break number 6.
Sides up, guys. Sides up.
Okay. After nyo dyan, right side. Ay, kuha yung number 7, no?
Okay.
Okay. On his team, please go number 2. Now,
17 to 7. Okay.
set up natin yung Infamilla dyan. Papakuha natin dito sa start.
Sides up, guys.
Para hindi tayo mapunta dito sa number 3. Tapos, someone is taking number 3. Okay. Number 1 is empty. Okay, Infamilla is here already.
Going 7.
He is na F, guys.
Flex team 7.
This case the M. Pag nasa M room kayo, please do PvP first. And then when it is 50%, target the M. Hit the M now, guys. Infamilla is here. Ay, ba ito? Okay, break na yung number 7. Anong balito nyo? Okay.
89%. Tempo na.
Okay.
Pasok tayo isa. Okay, majesty.
Oh, classic. Nice. Ay, kuha yung 17 na. And then, on his team, please go to the inner city. Inner city muna tayo. Hindi. Tama. Kuha nyo na ba yung number 7? Kuha nyo na.
80% taking.
Okay, kuha na yung number 1. Ipat na kayo, number 1.
Number 1, okay.
Take number 1. And then, on his team, let's go inner city.
Going number 1.
Defend inner city. Go to spot 1. Inner city.
Flex team 1.
Next team, get number 1. Then defend it. Patay kalaban sa ano. Dito ngayon. Guys, spread out sa inner city ha. Please don't stay on the near the portal. Defend inner city. Because I think Infamilla will go here again. They're defending number 7 now. Okay. Infamilla is getting number 6. Okay, we will go that protection now. Mistake number 1, kung kaya nyo. May kasama na kayo dyan ha. Okay. Okay, on his team, let's try to defend. Number 6, let's go number 6. Improve. It's getting hit now. Let's do PvP here. It's okay if we break this. It's okay. Let's just slow them down. And then defense for our castle number 2. Okay, go back to number 3. Number 2. Again, number 3. Ay lang. So number 2, sorry. Go back to number 2.
A lot coming in 1, but we're taking in right now.
Okay. Tapos pakidef muna yan ha.
Okay, they're taking wind tower now, but they're getting them.
Okay. On his team, please defend inner city. Inner city again. Spot number 1. Spot number 1 ha. Nakuha.
Nakuha natin yung 1.
Ay, pakidef dyan. Discard nyo na muna.
Okay.
Hold natin dalawang big castle baka kasi may bounty. On his team, spread out. Spot number 1 is inner city. Spread out, guys. Spread out. Infamilla is trying to go here. Ang maganda siguro dyan, right side, defend nyo sa inner city pag na-wipe kayo kung kahit saan. By time lang para makapapakit dyan.
Going inner city, spot 1 then.
Sige, thanks.
Okay, they're pushing na. Sorry, yan.
Yan. Pero kaya yan. Okay, wala tayong ano, wala tayong small. Wala tayong medium. So,
Korean
yan lang.
A lot guys, a lot.
Okay. Spread out guys, spread out.
They're going and from there.
Okay, sige, next mo, ay,
Nakakalusot.
okay, kung pa kasing gamit na dito eh. Yung sino ko? Wait lang ha, wait.
They're in
Kasi pakinap na yan.
Korean Disney entrance.
Guys, huwag niyong habulin ha. Ito na yung things, hindi yung pamilya. Kung pasok.
Nice guys, nice flex team.
Hindi kaya niyan. 30 lang sila. Okay guys, please defend ha. Any, sino nasa ano, F-room?
Me.
May tao ka.
Stop.
Okay guys, kailangan di mahit to ha. Yung dalawang kasal natin, tingnan natin.
Count is up.
Mountain is up. May kalaban
7,
kayo dyan.
16.
Sino yung number 7? Hindi, yung safe doon. Pakikuha yung small muna. Hello?
Guys, they're putting in one.
Hindi, bigyan mo.
Okay.
Sa ano, sa 16, pagka ano, sakali.
Okay. Empro, ay flex team go 16.
Wala pa.
Pag ano. Prepare lang.
Okay. Honest team, go to... Honest team, let's go number 12. 5 seconds. Honest team, go 12 ha, 12. Okay, let's go. Honest team, 12. Take 12. Oni pa ready yung equal. Kaya ba? Kaya dito.
Kaya.
Wala kasing dito eh.
Good pag.
Left kami 16.
May susunod ah. Sumunod pa.
Wala pa ako na.
Wala na.
City ko yun. In Vanilla.
Pakidet kung kaya.
Oh, shit. Okay. In Vanilla making it to Empro right now.
Yung kami na. Okay, let me see.
Start to 16.
Punta na lang kayo ng 7. Tayo ng 7. Oni, tayo mo 7.
Flexing 7 go.
Wala
There's more than,
equal.
12. There's a lot of they are becoming part. I think we need to wait. People don't enter things.
Okay.
You want me to equal 12 now?
Okay guys,
Becoming pro.
soil first. Guys, assemble Oni team. Get the soil first. Then let's wait for Oni. Get the soil first, guys. Number 12, Oni's team. Get the soil.
Equal now, equal.
Oh, go. Take the equal, guys. Take the equal.
You're focusing on me.
Let's go. Do PvP first, guys. We have time. Let's wipe them first. Wipe. Okay, let's go down to the end now. Move slowly.
Kasi 7 may Saints and Korean D.
Hindi makuha, no?
Third party tayo.
Okay, wait na.
Korean and Saints.
Oni's team, please.
Coming down, sir. Sit back.
In here. Baka ano. Take the F. Pati dito.
You're chasing people, guys. Post them.
Pwede siguro PvP muna para ano. Clear.
7 makakapasok kami. Lubos yata nila.
Okay.
But
You can go.
at 40.
Mas marami to. Wala. Huwag mo na siguro kung dali.
I think the Koreans are taking 7.
Gumawa yung 12.
Next one. You focus.
Koreans.
Ano yung bounty? Okay, kaya pa naman to. Candidate mo yung ano, 16? 16? Wala yan.
Everyone first.
Okay, 16. Defend 16.
Flex team 16.
Oo, tara. Defend na lang natin to.
Alright.
Ito na, may pamilya dito.
Flex team 16 guys.
Let's go guys. Stay away from the guys. Stay away. Keep your distance.
Using low.
I'm using all.
Koreans and in Vanilla.
Defend F guys. Defend F.
Even Koreans are here. Let's do kill.
Loki.
tara.
Using Loki.
Stay away from the F guys. Tatamaan niya ng slash. Let's defend this. Tapos na ba? Ako na? Hindi pa no?
Not yet.
Okay, 30 seconds. Okay. Ano to? Pwede na kayo pumunta sa number 1. Okay, I'd take it to number 1. Oni's team ready for number 2. Bakit yung number 6? Okay. Okay, Team Oni, let's go number 2. Defend number 2. Inner City again. Tapos ano, marami ba dyan sa inyo?
One
Inba
part
na
na
sa
lang.
number 2. Inba, number 2.
Okay, dito sila. Hindi, isa lang. Wala.
Kaya tong Stormwind. Kasi
Okay. Siguro yung isang ito, pakikuhaan nyo ng ano, number 11.
Taiga go. Go 11.
Okay, gago.
Taiga.
Okay, magulo yung ano natin Wala. Honest team, go inner city. Yan natin. Yan, hihit ba? Honest team, go inner city ng number 2.
Ay, Stormwind Guild Master on end. Kaso 1. Might be there.
Okay, punta na kayo sa ano, number 11 na lang. Saan nyo na yung number 11? Kaya nyo na yan. Pulang na lang natin yan ulit.
Going 11.
Depende inner city, team Oni. Until we clear, wala tayong kalaban. Walang kalaban, okay, let's see. Okay, honest team, let's go number 3. Let's go number 3.
4% on Castle 11. I don't know.
Team Aqua.
Wala, malayo. Nakapasok pa man. Glory.
Honest team, let's go. Let's take number 3. Kami kalaban yung ano. Yung number 11 nata, okay na. Tagal lang doon. Balikan nyo ulit.
Okay. Going to 11 again.
Hindi sila makakapture, hindi sila makakapture daw. Sa number 11. Okay, honest team, let's take soil first. Take soil.
Spill 1 is under attack daw.
Sige, okay lang yan.
Okay.
Marami yan, marami.
Right.
Hindi nyo na lang yung ano. Kunin nyo yung 11 tapos number 5. Sakaling tapos tayo dyan.
Alright.
Bilisan tayo push.
Dito naman tayo sa ano, number 6. Ito number 6. Guys, you can enter now. You can enter.
Excalibur going in now. Outer castle. Number 3.
Go number 3. Take M, take M. Thanks. Okay, let's meet number 4. Let's regroup there. Number 4. M room number 4. Let's regroup.
Sides up guys. 11 at 49%.
Okay. Guys, dito tayo sa number 4 muna. Let's assemble here.
Well, but 33%.
Okay.
Going 5. Lexin going 5.
Iba.
Lexin going 5.
Okay.
I mean, improve na.
Sige. Marami pa na ito.
Number 3, konti lang.
Number 1 is
Bounty up.
pasan mo bounty. Okay guys, prepare tayo number 7. Number
Bounty.
10. 11. Nasa atin yung 11, no? Okay. Pakidepend yung number 11, ano? Right side.
11 na kayo.
Pakidep yan.
Pagkakit out.
Pin at number 11.
Forecasted ng blown cloud. Hindi sila pwede mong pick.
Okay.
Kunin
Hindi tayo
natin.
siguro. Hindi tayo.
13-27 can be taken. They need to defend under castle for them.
Okay. Tapos Team Oni dito sa 10. Team Oni sa 10 tayo. Glory din to eh. Okay. Team Oni, 10. Taiga doon kayo sa wall. Tapos, right side. Depend. Kung ano bang number yan?
11.
11. Thank you.
Koreans are here. Koreans are taking 10. Rush.
Takbo guys, takbo. Ano yung pattern ng Korean? Yablan.
Go 11 in taxi.
Tama tayo kung nakuha niyo. Pag naman. Okay, pwede umalis plot yan.
Yeah. Going 11 energy.
Sige, pakidepend lang yan.
Yes. Go taxi.
Hindi ka tamaan itong mga to.
They're on it. Koreans are on it.
Okay,
Ay!
Stormwind. Save.
May kumukuha ng may small pala tayo eh. Wala pa
Stormwind.
nandun tayong malaki. Pumunit na nila yung egg daw eh.
Stormwind like 3 parties. 11.
Sige, kaya nyo yung step.
Kaya pa so far.
Guys, keep number 10.
Stepping M from Castle 11.
Number 10, do PvP first. PvP, go. PvP first. Okay, kaya yan.
Equal in 11 guys.
Tapos na natin ito Pangilasin. Sa atin ba? Makita.
Korean.
Oh, pakidep yung keno.
Guys, they equal here. Stormwind equal here.
Try 11 guys.
11.
Please 11.
58%. 32%.
Ito makukuha pa.
Try to
Try. Ang bounty ah. Sino malabas ito sa pick? Pakidep lang tayo. Pick pa ako.
Ayan, equal.
Pwede ating kunin yung ano, yung 14. Kaya, dami dun.
Sige.
Teka. You know what guys, Team Oni, let's take number 2. Team Oni, let's take number 2. Now. Number 2. Take number 2.
Yung 1 are going to defend.
Di-defend natin yung 1. May susugod pa. Mayroon na rin.
Storm
Storm wind.
Punta na ako.
Okay.
Ito na.
Right side, paki-defend yung ano, yung 1 muna. Paki-right side lang. Paki-check kung may oras pa tayo. Pag kasabihan kami pagka hindi kaya.
Yes. Hinihit na yung M pa.
Tayo inihit na?
Pero napatay na, nauubos yun.
Sige. Pakiubos lang muna. Pakihil yung F dyan sa ano? Sa number 2.
Hindi yung guild master.
Kaya hindi.
Ay.
Okay. Wait. I-break lang ito.
Mga tubo.
Ako kakaiba lang yung pagkakot.
Okay.
They're locking. Guys, need help.
Okay. Maiwan yung iba, yung Team Oni, yung mga breakers, yung kayo dyan, yung iba na hindi breaker, punta dito sa number 1. Dito na kami sa F. Breaker maiwan sa number 7.
Castle 1 tong
Okay.
going 1.
Nakuha na natin. Nice. Again, let's take big castles.
Team din.
Wala tayong bounty. Hindi na po isa na bounty natin. Pwede
Nauubos sila sa once.
Ubos na din. Ay, 1 din pala to. Okay, we will defend this. Sino yung nandun sa number 11? Ano yan? Kaya bang ma-def yan? Yung nasa 11? Ano yan? Hindi ko rin ma-check eh.
Ako lumipat yung storm sa to.
Lumipat sila? Yeah. Nasa 1 yung storm mo yun. Okay, dito sa number 2. Okay, ganda. We're first again. We just have to defend this, guys. Let's just wait for big bounty and we can catch up with the scores. Malas mo kung kailan dalawa yung kailan dalawa yung big castle na dito. Yung pa walang bounty. Ha? Okay. We're still first, guys. All we have to do is defend number 1, 2. Oh, dapat ano? Ay, hindi, kumunti na.
Heading inner city.
Okay.
Castle 1.
Number 11 is being attacked. I think we can let go of that 11. Siguro ito na lang yung number 6. May pwede pa pumunta dyan, number 6. One party. Party ni...
Ano?
Sila ano? MX? Mga MX kaya nyo ba?
Next.
Yung number ano? Number 8. Walang tao sa number 8. Kinukuha yung number 11 eh. So, kunin natin number 8. Thank you.
Okay, next. Thank you, Avante.
Team Spill, please defend Inner City. Wala na tao. Wala tao.
Isang Orlano na lang po.
Saints. Asan si Saints? Nasa kayo ano? Right side?
In 1 also.
1.
Waiting 1. Pwede pa yung 11. Kaso,
Dapat yung 6 eh. Dapat yung 6 at saka 7 eh.
Okay. 6, 7.
Teka, ba't parang pumupundi tayo?
Literally a pally running around Castle 2 in the Emperor room, killing people.
Okay, what?
Cough, wake up.
Wait. Okay, others left Castle 2. Yung mga nandyan lang kayo. Please defend Castle 2. There's 7 saints there. Sino punta sa 6? Sino yung dalawa? You can transfer to number 7. Leave number 6. Transfer to number 7. Whoever is in number 6. Leave number 6. Go to number 7.
Still defing kami.
Sige.
Sige.
Yung party mo ba pwedeng kumuha ng number 7?
Pwede.
May iba bang may iwan dyan? May dalawa kasi pantay eh.
Tiger String siguro. I'll go 7.
Okay. I guys, stay sa Inner City kayo para makita nyo, ma-update nyo kami kaagad. Then please take number 7, right side.
Number 8. 30%.
Is Tiger team defending number 10? There's a lot now here.
Hindi, they're defending number 2. Not bad.
Just really clear here.
Kaya number 2.
Bounty
Oh, bounty is up. Okay, prepare guys ha, we have to defend number 1. Okay,
Kami,
defend number 1.
text team.
Next team, pakikuha na yung pakikuha na yung number 15 siguro. Ay, hindi, sa atin pala yan. Pero batayan yan yung number 15. Tapos Oni's team, let's defend number 1. Go.
Time.
Okay. May castles do we have?
We got
Okay.
8.
Nice. Oh, go defend the big castle with bounty. Go to
Is it
number 1.
one inner city or one in the Emperor room?
Inner city, spot 1. Yeah. Let's go. Everyone's coming here. Use the portal, guys. Use the portal in the M2.
I'll be staying on the M.
Okay. Defend inner city spot 1. Onyx team, castle 1.
As,
Okay.
Saints, attacking. Team, already.
Kunin nyo na lang yung 14. Yung 14 na lang kayo. Kung marami dito 15. Hindi natin madidep yan eh. Kung marami. Dito kami sa 1 eh. Oh! Kasi ako.
Just you. I got kicked.
Ay! May kumuha ng castle.
No one. You just get kicked.
Hindi, na-reset yung castle.
Oh, kasi what?
Oh! Basta kumuha ng castle.
Why?
May
What
number 10.
Nobody gonna
Wait, wait,
just reset it itself.
Okay, let's go inside number... wait. Let's go number 10 first. Let's defend number 10
Oh, did
first.
we take another case, Castle?
Yeah, let's take number 10 first.
Going 10.
Defend number 10. Number 1 is on cooldown. Ay, someone got in already. Okay, let's go number 1. Sorry. Let's go number 1. You can enter now.
Going
Take
1,
M.
going 1.
Take M. This is not our task yet. M. Let's go M.
Exiting on 1 also.
I think we have too many castles. Take number 1. Take number 1, guys. Okay, everyone is busy with other castles. Take number 1.
What the hell?
Kuha na siguro kayo right side ng small.
Small.
Teka.
One Cobra. Yun ang muna.
Hindi, ano na to? Latest na tong 1 pagka kinuha natin. Sorry,
Depth,
guys.
si target.
It's something.
Okay, nice. Break it. Then, we go to... After breaking it, let's go to... Number 6 is open. Okay, wait. Let's take number 2 again. Let's take number 2. Number 6. You want to take number 6? Ay, tao. May equal ba kami number 6?
They're guarding even the portal going inside.
Let's take number 2 then. Then we just have to defend number 2. Oh, we're
Small castle.
leading.
Exiting small castle.
Hindi, okay na.
Okay na.
Punta natin number 2. Pakibasa na yung number 2. Tapos defend na lang natin. Defend yung number 11. May sumusugod sa number 11.
Okay. Exiting going 11.
Pakidef yung number 11. Ang dami na dyan. Pupunta ng Korean.
2 kills.
Okay, Team Oni, please take number 2. Patiin natin ulit, no? Stormwind, scouting, Stormwind. Please take number 2. And then we will defend this. Kung kailangan nila,
Koreans entering 11 M pro.
ilang percent na lang, na-hit pa.
55 minutes. Okay, the GM here. Koreans.
Gusto nyo ba?
Koreans
Sa-
leading M.
Na-hit pa, na-hit pa.
Oo, andito sa data.
Okay, on team, take number 3. Let go nyo na yan. Let go nyo na yung number 11 para makuha natin itong 1, 2, 3.
Okay, going 3.
Wait, let me count our castles. Yeah. Let's go number 11.
Let's go 11 guys.
Take the number 11 and then take number 3.
Running.
Okay, this will be the messy part here because we're going to get all 3. So prepare for sudden, well, a very quick change of castles later. We'll try to defend 3 big castles here. Saints, where are you Saints?
Yeah, some of them will become
Yeah.
There are 2 teams. I'm saying 2 teams. Oh, it's crowded.
Crowded down ulit.
Okay, on team, go back to number 1. Just defend number 1. They're coming here.
They saw us. Everyone's there now.
Number 1 na lang. Ang dami dyan. 39 na lang dyan. On his team,
Yeah,
go
number
number 1. Tapos, right side, please, back down Saints. Please take number 6.
Exiting going 6.
Let's team, please go number 6 because Saints are going for number 7. So, let's take number 6. On his team, defend 1 and 2. So, let's help each other. Well, 2 is empty. So, let's defend number 1. Defend inner city or, let's see.
Korean inside.
Okay, let's just defend F. Let's just defend F. Just have to 7 minutes. Just have to hold the M for 7 minutes, guys. Nakuha niyo yung ano? They're preparing on at soil, Ready, guys, ready.
Second archer.
They got in the M room already. On his team, defend number 1. Kamusta kayo dyan sa, sa number 6?
Saka Emperor na.
Okay, pakabasag, pakidepend yung number 2. Thanks.
2.
Someone rip. They're on the right side now.
What's that? Sorry?
They're on number 3 side. They're still here.
Teka. Only, punta ka na ng number 2. May equal ka.
Yes.
Okay, punta ka na ng number 2. Pati, right side. Kung mababasag nila ba yan?
70%. Ibabasa ko.
Sige. Kasi number 2, kailangan ng help. Tapos na dyan sa number 2 only.
Sides up guys.
They're here. They're breaking. One person. 2, 3. They're coming now.
20%.
Depend ba natin yan? Punta na kayo number 2, right side.
Okay, prepping to go.
Pakibasag na yan kung kaya na mabasag.
Basag na ba?
Sige, number 2.
Changing.
50.
They're almost 78%.
You're here.
Pwede mo kaming i-equal, Oni. Wala na masyadong tao dito. Nine na lang to.
They're almost breaking it. Ayun.
Too late.
25%.
But I use it.
Okay. Sino yan? Sino yung tumugot? Sino yan?
Koreans, sorry.
Koreans.
Okay. Never mind then. We have to watch out for Saints. Yeah. Right side, pakikuha yung number 7.
Going 7.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay.
3 points na last week. We need to take the big castle. We can retake.
Retake? Sige, pwedeng retake. Pwede retake.
Still going 7.
Hindi, punta na kayo number 2.
Okay.
Number 2 is open. And few people are defending.
Okay,
Kasi
kasi
nandun sila.
taking 2.
We're defending number 3 right now.
Koreans are defending number 3. So let's take number 2.
Nandun na sa'yo.
But we have to cut down Saints. And it's just 4 minutes. 4 minutes left.
Yung nasa yung right to take one of the castle. One league.
The Korean is cutting down Saints also. Okay, so let's not go to that castle anymore. Nasa kayo, ano?
2 pa niya. Ay,
Tuto
sorry.
na ako. I'm in the
Okay, punta na kayo ng number 5.
Okay, going 5.
3 minutes left, pakirush na. Sorry.
Alright. Let's
Break
go
number,
5.
break number 2 and then number 5 and then this is ours.
Not to break the guys.
Saints is getting attacked by...
They're becoming Koreans are becoming
Where are you
Koreans.
guys? We need to break it
Koreans
now.
are coming to
We're
defense.
here now.
Try to break it guys, 3 minutes. Okay,
Let's break it. Come on guys. Come on.
2 minutes guys, 3 minutes. Please break them guys. Yung number 5 makukuha nyo.
Inner city kami ngayon.
Then we spotted him. First team at.
Guys, where are you at?
Hit the M guys, hit the M. Number 2, hit the M.
Let's go. I think we can go 5.
Okay, please 2 minutes na lang.
It's 7% guys.
Kami nasa likod nyo,
It's
Marami sa likod nyo,
Copy.
7% guys.
Saints trying to defend this.
There.
Nice.
Nakuha natin, nakuha.
Yeah, tapos na.
Okay, balik kayo dito sa number 1. Balik dito sa number 1. Please defend number 1. They cannot take number 2 now. Defend number 1. Na-take nyo yung yung number 5.
2 parties here. Saints.
Okay.
And Ibanyu also kami.
Yeah.
And we're getting loaded now. And
Try nyo number 6. 6 lang kayo. Hindi, pupunta rin Korean 6.
It's almost fit. Guluhin nila yung price nila number 3 para di na sila pumunta ng
Number 3.
ready ako.
Guluhin lang nila para yung focus ng backup nila.
Hindi, kasi pag ginulo nila yung number 3, yung problema naman, itong Saints. Yung Saints talaga yung problema, kasi sila nasa top. Kailangan natin tanggalin ng isang medium. Kailangan natin tanggalin yung top nila. Dami.
Koreans are attacking number 6.
Bigyan na natin yung number 6, huwag natin puntahan dyan. Kulang sila ibang kasi. Wala, GG guys. 18, we just have to believe in the Koreans to get number 6. The Koreans should get number 6.
They're already taking it.
Okay, nice.
They're almost getting it. They're almost. They're 4 people. They're to defend. Oh, they got it.
Ay, thank you again.
That's the one point.
GG guys, GG, sorry.
At least, one of their classes still gets clear. Number 5 is ano.
Wait, I think we lost one. I think we lost one castle. After they took our 16. Isip ko. Kaya pala, that's why the score is not really did not get cut down too much. They took our 16. Sorry, I did not see that. Sorry guys.
GG's guys, GG.